Welcome to another video from DIY Daily. Just put a quick video together, just showing you how to reset the service light on this 2018 Porsche Cayenne. You can just see on the dash there, oil change in 20 days. Now we have actually got a snap-on diagnostic machine that isn't able to do this on these Porsches. I just wanted to show, really, it does need to be done with a diagnostic machine, and I just wanted to specifically show that the top-down diagnostic machine will do this function as well. So we're using the Phoenix Light 3 today. You can check this out. I'll sell this on my own store if you want to check out any of the Top Done products as well. I'll put a link to it in the description. But basically, if we just go into special functions, we've got reset service there. Let's just run through it and see if we can get it done. It's got reset maintenance interval there, and then you can just see we've got to just put the day, month and day in there. So let's just do that quickly. So you've got some options on there just for exactly which one you've done. This one's just had a basic oil service. Operation complete. Just go out that now. Let's just, obviously we've still got the 20 days due there. Let's just turn the ignition off. Back on again. You can now see we've got interim service in 30 days. So it's still one of them. So just to show it, we'll actually just try and do that reset as well, just again to prove that the Top Done machine will do it. That's interim service, so we've got intermediate maintenance there. Right, so again, let's just turn it off now and back on. You can just see that's the service light for the oil change. Basically, it's got a few different options, just depends how it's set up. It does have the specific for the oil change ones, the intermediate service and the main service, depending on which one you've done. But as you can see on the Top Done diagnostic machine, all three options are on there. It's successfully done it, so it can be done using the Top Done diagnostic machine. But yeah, if you've got the light on, unfortunately with these Porsches, it does need to be done with a diagnostic machine. There is no manual reset for it. But yeah, I hope the video helped. If it did, give it a quick thumbs up and subscribe to the channel. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you next time.